over the hills and fall for mud. She's waiting for love to be realized.
Yesterday we had 60 degrees. It was beautiful out. And look at today. And it is a wet and heavy snow. But it's pretty. But we're end of March almost. So maybe we're going out like a lion. We still got a few days in the month left. We did get Maggie brought in last night with her calf. Look at this snow, guys. It's some big, wet, fluffy spring storm. Trying to get everybody fed a little bit while I check on cows, and I'm glad I'm not kidding now. Bellies are getting big, but I'm a ways from kidding. Here's our tiny little heifer, Easter Belle. She's getting closer. She's filling up with milk, getting a little looser in the back end. She is a small little girl. She can come in here now. I haven't got the straw down yet. We need to move the Ranger that we have parked in here right now out. But she's got a dry spot in here until I get her corner straw down. What do you think, folks? You saw my video this morning. We had so much snow coming down in big flakes. We had about 4 inches of wet, heavy snow dumped on us. But the sun has been out. It's been so nice. It's almost gone. As you can see, this is on the north side in the shade. But out around, the snow is pretty well gone. And when the sun comes out, it's going to be so pretty green. We really needed that little extra boost of moisture because, you know, we just haven't had a lot of snow. So this is really going to start our spring grass around the yard. So I'm pretty excited for that. I'm headed out to gather eggs, check on Jersey Girl and my little cow, and just take a look at everybody. Feed the goats if they need more hay. Well, this old girl, she's pretty feisty. I'm thinking she's wanting to be broody. I've been watching her lately. She doesn't like me getting under. I've already got the egg out from under her. Ouch. Even through my coat. She's pretty vicious right now. So I'm going to let her get good and broody. And then I'm going to give her eggs. And hopefully she'll hatch us out some baby chicks. Because she's really starting to take it serious. She's really wanting to set. And we may have to get her a little area where she's private. Yeah, you're ornery, aren't ya? You're a broody mom, which is good. But they do have some sharp beaks. So I got a few eggs today. I better go check the barn out. Everybody's doing good. Soaking up some sunshine. Look at him. He is so naughty. I turned my back to walk away. And he's wanting to chase me. He's protecting his girls. We may have a battle yet. So here's my Jersey girl. I'm hoping that all my feelings that she was struggling were just false thoughts. She seems so much better today. She's still got a really good appetite. And she's drinking. She's being a good girl. Huh. Yes, you're a good girl. You're a good girl, Jersey. I'd sure hate to see you have trouble. Yes. Yes. Everything seems okay. So hopefully, I'm just a worried mama. And you'll be just fine. Here's our little Easter bell. She's still got a little ways to go. But you can see her little bag is filling up. She's got the cutest little bag when it gets full of milk. But she is also springing, so she's getting closer, aren't you? So there's no straining. There's no trying to push anything out. I think I'm hoping she just did not feel well yesterday. But she acted like she had that motherly instinct after she would stand up and look around. She was kind of talking like a new mama. Maybe it was just some birthing pains. Because she seems fine. And I hope she stays that way. So I've been watching her. And there's a live baby in there still, moving around. I could see her tummy really moving. So, as of right now, baby is alive. You can't see it right now, and she's kind of slowed up. But earlier, you could really see that baby moving. She feels good. Her eyes look good. She's eating, drinking. She's happy. She's soaking in the sun. So I'm hoping everything's okay. Nice little bag. It's just too soon for her to calve. I would say she's still 3 to 4 weeks, if not a little longer. Hey, Easter Bell. You remember the barn, right? This will be her second calf. She did lose her calf last year. So it'll be her first baby, hopefully. When you have critters on the ranch or the farm or the homestead, Eventually you have some bad luck. And Cowboy and I have had cattle all of our life. And it's just, sometimes it doesn't work out as planned. And sometimes it does. She just has me wondering because she seems like she feels good. And I know now, watching her tummy, that baby's alive in there still. So we'll just keep an eye on her and hope for the best. Hang in there, girl. They're both just soaking in the sun. It's a beautiful Sunday afternoon. No signs of straining or pushing. She seems very content right now. But I'm feeling a little more hopeful right now with seeing the baby move. And if she can just hang in there a while, even if it's early, maybe we can help her out. She's such a good mama and a good cow to milk. Our snow is almost gone. For right now, Pedro has to be in where the hay bale is. And he's making a mess. Soon we need to trim our donkey's feet, the two Jennies, and get them up to the jack. And as soon as we do that, then little Pedro is going to get to go in with the colt, Larry's little Cowboy's colt. Everybody's looking good here. Hi, Maggie. Maggie is going to supply us on the homestead with milk real soon. I'm getting pushed over by you-know-who down here, wanting attention. Yeah. I know, you guys are doing good. We've left her baby on for the winter, just to keep her in milk. So, just in case, that was another one of those things that I felt was important. Because I think we need to have some backup for milk. And my gut feeling was right. I didn't know it last fall when we turned her out, or last winter. But we need her again now. Everybody's wanting a little hay. So I better put up my camera. Well, it still seems to me little Gus is still busy with some of these younger goats. I was thinking of taking him out, but maybe I better leave him a little bit longer. This one here ended up with a bad eye. But I think she's doing okay. I think she's blind in it. Everybody's loving the sunshine. Hi, Heidi. Hi, Heidi. Are you going to smile for everybody? Everybody loves your smile. And look at those teeth are missing. Yeah, look at those teeth. You're a good girl.